Talk about it bluntly. What's wrong with two gay men or two lesbian women who love each other very much being allowed to marry in the same way that I would be allowed to marry a woman that I love, or you would be allowed to marry a woman that you love, or anybody would be allowed to marry a person of the opposite sex?
Well, if the meaning of marriage in the Constitution and society was only about respect for people's loving relationships, there wouldn't be very much wrong. We'd be having a whole different debate. I think central to redefining marriage in the way that the government has proposed is that you're also redefining the family based on marriage, because that's where the Constitution talks about marriage. It talks about the state pledging to guard with special care the institution of marriage on which the family is founded. So what's at stake here then are questions about what kind of families does the state want in our society? Does it want just to facilitate everybody in every situation, or does it actually want to support everybody in every situation but to promote something is working particularly well? And the core argument against redefining marriage is that you are going to take away from some children the right to a father and a mother in certain cases. That has to happen because of the way our Constitution is set up. So by redefining marriage, we are taking away from some children the right to have a father and mother, their father and mother in some cases, or indeed a father and mother in other cases. It particularly arises with adoption, but it perhaps more obviously arises with assisted human reproduction issues.